Hello, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, I've got something truly exciting in store for you as we dive into the realm of innovation with the 5 ridiculously cool tech gadgets you can buy this year. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech excellence. Now, let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Starting off at number 5, we have the Evapolar EVA Chill Portable Air Conditioner. This compact marvel brings a 3-in-1 punch, acting as a mini AC unit, humidifier, and fan. With its evaporative technology, it not only cools, but also captures dust particles. Plus, it's energy efficient, consuming only 10 watts, saving both energy and bills. What's more, it's 100% safe for breathing, thanks to its natural evaporative cooling powered by the patented EvaBreeze technology. Moving on to number 4, we have the TOWNEW T Air X Smart Trash Can. This futuristic garbage bin isn't just your average can, it's equipped with self-sealing technology that ensures zero leakage. The infrared sensor detects approaching objects, opening the lid with a touch of modernity. But that's not all, folks. The descent control technology guarantees quiet and gentle lid operation, extending the trash can's lifespan. With a large capacity and a sleek design, this is a must-have for any smart home. Now at number 3, we have something for coffee lovers, the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Imagine a mug that keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for up to 80 minutes, controlled via an app or independently. This smart mug is a game changer. Its auto sleep feature ensures efficiency, and the scratch-resistant coating makes it easy to maintain. It's not just a mug, it's a companion for every coffee aficionado. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the AstroAI Mini Fridge. This 4-liter wonder is not just for chilling beverages, it's a versatile storage solution for skincare, snacks, and more. With both AC and DC adapters, it's perfect for home, office, or even on the go. The eco-friendly semiconductor refrigeration chip ensures it's free and its quiet technology won't disturb your peace. A must-have for those who want cool convenience wherever they are. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the number 1 on our list, ChatGPT 2, your ChatGPT-powered smart presentation tool. This isn't your ordinary mouse. It's a blend of classic and futuristic tech, combining an air mouse, touchpad, laser pointer, and recording pen. Unleash its full potential for presentations, meetings, or note-taking. It even doubles as a powerful laser presentation tool. With ChatGPT 2, you're not just in control, you're making a lasting impression.